Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and the number of the day is the number 8. Today we will be recording lots of ways that we can show the number 8. If you'd like, you could grab a marker and a whiteboard and you can draw along with me, or else you could have a watch first and then have a go later. So, let's get learning! Have you heard of the number 8? It's 2 groups of 4. Now that's just great. 8 slices of pizza? Yes please, all for me. Number 8 is amazing. I'm sure you'll agree. This week, I've been keeping a lookout for the number 8. And wherever I looked, there was the number 8. Unbelievable. Check out some of the places where I found 8. Check out this cake and the candle. It's shaped like an 8. Here we are waiting for the train at platform number 8. There are no numerals to spot here, but can you see 8 on this Lego box? The number 8 was even on the ground. Count how many parts you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's better than one big numeral 8? 2 big numeral 8s, making 88. Can you spot the 8 at this sale? 80%. This balloon has the number 18 all over it, and you can't write 18 without 8. Become a math detective yourself, and wherever you go this week, look out for the number 8. Today, let's see how many ways we can show and record the number 8. Starting with this way. Yes, the numeral. Do you remember how to write the numeral 8? Well, pointing fingers up, let's write it together. Ready? Make an S and do not wait. Then climb back up to make an 8. I'm going to write the numeral 8 on my board. Make an S and do not wait, then climb back up to make an 8. I can write 8 as a numeral and I can write 8 as a word. Watch as I write the word that says 8. E, I, G, H, T. 8. Now let's show 8 on the dice. I'll roll one die first. What number is that? It's the number 6. How many more do we need to make 8? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Let me find 2 on the die. There it is. So 6 and 2 make 8. Can you think of other dice combinations to make 8? I'm going to write these ones. I wonder which you will write. So first I'll have to draw my 2 dice faces, 1 square and 2 squares. And on my first square I'm going to draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on my second die, I will draw 2. 1, 2. Let's count them to check we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone, get your heads ready. Let's give 8 nods. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now get those arms ready. Let's swim forward 8 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew! Swimming is tiring. Well, can you think of another way to show 8? How about on a 10 frame? Pointing fingers up, everyone. While I draw my 10 frame, you can draw yours in the air. So as always, we start with our nice big rectangle like this. And then we need to draw our long horizontal line through the middle. And then of course, 4 lines going down, keeping the spaces equal. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, how many dots do I need to draw? That's right, 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a row of 5 and 3 more. That makes 8. Okay everyone, what's another way to make 8? That's right, with our fingers. Get those hands ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are my 8 fingers. I'm going to show 8 fingers on my board. Okay, we are ready to show 8 using blocks. And today I'm going to make a tower as we count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I have a tower of 8 blocks, and I'm going to show that on my board, just like this. Look at all the ways we've already shown 8. We've shown 8 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, with our blocks, on a 10 frame, and with our fingers. What's another way we could show 8? How about as a picture? Well, thinking about 8 got me thinking about a little creature that crawls with its 8 legs. Do you know what I'm thinking of? Yes, a spider. But don't worry, I'm not going to draw a spider. But I do want to draw a spider web with an 8 in its pattern. Would you like to see? Okay, let's go. So, here is the middle of the spider web first. And now, count with me as I draw the silky sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to draw a smaller one inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there we have it, a spider web that represents 8. Now I can see a few more places for us to show the number 8. How about we show 8 as tally marks? You remember the tally marks, of course. We draw the lines down and then number 5 goes across. Pointing fingers up, you can draw your tally marks in the sky while I draw mine on the board. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. 6, 7, 8. Perfect! Now, as we know, bigger numbers are made up of smaller numbers. Have you thought of 2 numbers that can make 8? Let's see. Here are 8 red counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But what if I swap these 4 red counters for 4 yellow counters? We still have 8 counters, but this time it shows 4 and 4. So 4 and 4 make 8. Let's move this one down so it's easier to see. Have you been playing with dominoes? Well, check out what I saw this week. I found a block that has 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a great way to show that 4 and 4 makes 8. I'm going to put that on my board. So I'll draw the domino first, like this, nice big rectangle, and then a line in the middle. And now I need to draw 4 dots on this side, 1 in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shows 4 and 4. We can also write that as 2 groups of 4. 2 groups of 4. Play with some dominoes this week. I wonder how many blocks you'll find that show 8. Now it looks like we've got space for one more way to show 8, and that's on our number line. Okay everyone, let's count to 8 using the number line. I'll start with my finger on the number 0. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's count again, and this time I'm going to draw each step as we count each number. Remember, I only draw one step for each number. I'll start at 0. Ready everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there is our number of the day. And we've done it. Look at all the ways we've shown 8. We've shown 8 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, with our blocks, on a 10 frame, as a picture, as tally marks, with our fingers, on dominoes, and on a number line. Now it's your turn to pick up a pencil and paper, or maybe a whiteboard and marker, and show all the ways that you can represent 8. You could choose to use some of the ways we've shared today, or maybe you've got your own ideas too. And of course, maths detectives, you know what to look out this week. Keep a sharp lookout for that number 8. Happy learning, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.